Okay, well, this video I want to share to you about how to make a modern iconic commercial building with a rooftop. Okay, well, we can using the rectangle for the first step, and then we can push it up. Can push it up around 500 millimeter. Okay, then we can triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, then now we can make the column with using a rectangle, or we can make rotated rectangle with from this position. Okay, we can make rotate rectangle, then we can click from this point, and then we can set the column around 400 millimeter and 400 millimeter. Anyway, it's just for example. For the column dimension. Then you can discuss with your professional engineer, for make sure that the dimension of the column are correct to be the main structural of building. So then we can set the height of this column around 3.5 meter. Okay, then we can double click and make group. Okay, then we can select move, press Ctrl, and move to the another position. Then we can move, press Ctrl, move to the another position. Okay, maybe we can enlarge this building with add more space on the left and on the behind. Then we can make the another column again in this position. It's just for example. It's just for example for placing the column, so you can discuss again with your specialist engineer or structural engineer to get the correct calculation and positioning about it. Then we can set the thickness of this slab, maybe around 600 millimeter for the thickness, and make group. And we can also move it to the upper position to set the floor to ceiling height as you want anyway. Okay, then you can make the another slab again. You can make the another slab again to the top, just like this, and then make the slab again to the top. Okay, then you can scale for all this column. You can scale up for all this column until this position. Okay, then you can set the another additional building on the behind of this area. This is the additional building and additional room, and then you can make group. Okay, then you can set the canopy of it. You can set the canopy and move to this position and move to this position. And also you can add more canopy space on the another position. Anyway, then you can make group. Okay, then you can make the additional column. Maybe it's just cylinder column. Okay. Okay, then we can move and place to the correct position anyway. Okay, you can move and place to the correct position. Okay, well, right now you can make the another design facade. You can make the another design facade by using the rotated rectangle. Okay, well, you can set the glazing material. You can set the glazing material or facade material with using this one. Then you can okay, you can set the frame on this position. Okay, it's just for schematic and basic shape of the frame. You can also discuss with your facade specialist for make the more detailed dimension of the frame. Okay, we can right click and make component and create. and you can select a move, press Control, and then we can place to this position, and then we can type 5/ and enter. Or if you feel it too large, if you feel it's too large, you can set the more quantities of it. You can type 9/ enter. Okay, well, you can set the another frame variation. You can set the another frame bracing. Triple click and make group. Okay, then you can select a move, press Control and place to this position, and then we can type 4/ enter. Okay, just one. So you can get the result of it. Okay, well, now you can right click and make group, and then you can select a move, press Control, and then you can duplicate and rotate it 90°. Okay, then you can select a move and place to this position. Then we can scale this one to the appropriate position. Okay, well, so now you can get the secondary, you can get the exterior for the second and third floor. Then for the first floor, you can set the glazing. It's just only simple glazing or simple frameless glazing. You can make group and you can set the glass and mirror. Okay, then you can triple click and set this one. Okay, and then you can type 90° and duplicate. Okay, well, okay, then you can set this point. You can set this rectangle. Then you can push, and you can set the thickness of the wall around 150 millimeter, and also this one you can set the thickness around 150 millimeter. Then you can set the appropriate place and appropriate position of it. Okay, then you can push it up till this position. Then you can push it up again, this one, until this position. Okay, well, now you can set the glazing of it. Okay, with rectangle, and you can push it to the front, right click and make group, and then you can click this one and okay, push it to the front with any thickness. It's just for example, so you can discuss with your consultant engineer or facade consultant of it. Okay, I will repeat it. It's get complicated. Okay, then we can set the thickness, make group, and okay, this one. Okay, right now you can make the another cover. You can make the another cover. Okay, so you can adjust this one with a correct position. You can adjust this one. Okay, and then you can set the railing. You can set the railing or glazing on the correct position also. Okay, now you can set the simple landscape area with using a landscape material. For example, this one, and you can also set the stair on that position. Okay, for the disclaimer, it's just for example, it's just for example modeling. I just guide you for the simple modeling, so you can adjust and you can improve with your style, and you can improve for more details by yourself. Okay, well, now you can set the another secondary facade. You can set the secondary facade by extend this one and extend this one, and also you can make the another concrete or canopy in this position. Okay, well, so you can use this one and this one to be the secondary facade holder. Okay, then now you can make the another envelopes or another shape. Okay, so you can push it to the back just a little bit. Okay, and then you can make the another variation of it. Then you can also set the rectangle, and you can adjust with your own style, because it's about commercial building or office building or office rent, so you can make it to be attractive building design anyway. Then you can make the another variation of it to be more attractive anyway. Just like this, for example. I mean, the art in this case is it was important, so you can try to improve your facade skill anyway. Then you can select the attractive color in this building. Okay, then you can push this canopy. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. You can improve it by your skill and improve skill. Thank you.